wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah.
Hi, Olivia.
Noah! Oh, yay! Wow.
Well, what's going on?
No.
You're a little bit. You can calm down there.
No, I was so lonely. Me and Anna, we were sitting here.
Yeah, but you're with Anna. What? You're not lonely.
Yeah, but
I was out with my friends playing, and you were playing here with Anna.
yeah, but we were so lonely.
And the kids are even here. You can't be lonely. Hi, kids.
Hi, kids. But
Oh, you already said hi.
yeah, I did, but still.
I'm just saying hi, kids, because I haven't said hi to the
Yeah,
kids.
I don't know. I still felt lonely, even though there were lots. I felt lonely, even though there were lots of kids, and Anna was here. I don't know.
I forgot to tell you.
What?
I saw 2 princesses locked up.
They're what?
They're locked up.
Where are they locked up?
They need to be rescued.
Maybe if we rescue them, they'll be our friends. Because I think that's why I'm lonely. Because me and Anna didn't have any other friends to play with.
Yeah, you know
Yeah.
why?
Why?
It's adventure time!
Oh, adventure time!
Whoa. You look cool.
You look really cool. Yeah. Look, we're like totally tubular, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I should have a skateboard and a surfboard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For our adventure, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I could ride the skateboard.
Well, you should choose skateboard or surfboard.
Ooh. I want a surfboard because I could surf on water and I could surf on sand.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get that too. Maybe
Cool.
we'll need it for our adventure.
Yeah, we might.
Okay, I'm going to take off my glasses now.
Oh, yeah.
Because we haven't started.
Yeah. Okay, me too.
Wait,
Oh, wait.
where's Anna? Oh, there she is.
She says, "Hi, I'm here. I am ready." Oh, good. Yeah, look at her. Look at her in her rainbow dress.
Yeah, she looks good.
Wow.
Fits to our
Yeah,
set.
it does.
Yep.
Looks just like our rainbow.
Yep.
And that's how we can tell we're going someplace hot, huh? Because she's definitely in a summer dress.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'm going to put on my glasses now.
Okay.
And let's start on the adventure.
All right.
Ready?
So, yeah.
Okay,
So,
let's go.
let's go. We're walking through the woods and we're heading into, it's a dark part of the woods. Oh, but up ahead at the end of the clearing.
I see the sun.
You see the sun?
Yeah, let's
Me
walk
too.
towards the sun.
Let's go towards the sun. Let's walk faster because it's dark. It's dark in here. I don't like the dark woods. Yeah, and we get to, there's the sun.
There's the sun. Do you see it in the reflection of your sunglasses?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Ooh.
I love the
Wow.
sun.
Yeah, me too. The sun looks great. Oh, but
Sun's
we shouldn't
warm.
look right at it. That's dangerous.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay, so then we walk. Oh, and it's so sandy and hot. Oh, it's so hot. And Anna says, I really hope we find them soon. I
Yeah.
really want to find the other princesses.
Where do you think they are?
I think that they are at the very far side of the desert.
The desert. There. I see the desert right in front of us.
Okay, so let's go to
So
the
let's
desert.
go.
Go to the desert. Oh, but up ahead.
It's very hot here.
Yeah.
Did
Wow.
we bring enough water? I don't think so.
I don't know. We should have brought more sunscreen too.
Yeah, we need
Yeah.
to hurry up.
Yeah, let's go faster.
Okay.
Oh, but it's so hot if we go faster. Oh, but there's a nice breeze all of a sudden, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like
that's
ooh,
nice.
little breeze in the desert. Oh, it's getting it's getting a little strong.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. What?
Uh-oh.
What?
Look up ahead. It looks like a sandstorm.
It does.
Let's quickly
There's a lot of wind. Run.
Oh, no, it's coming.
Oh no, the sandstorm.
Oh, no.
The sandstorm.
No.
It's here.
That was so exhausting.
Yeah. That was a really big sandstorm.
Oh, Olivia, you
Yeah.
were right there. I didn't realize. I was just like, where am I?
Yeah.
It looks like we're not at the beach. I don't see any.
There's no water anywhere.
Oh, hi, kids.
Oh, hi, kids.
How are you?
Hi.
Did you survive the desert storm,
Yeah.
the sandstorm?
There was so much wind and
So
sand
much wind.
everywhere, I couldn't see anything.
Oh, no.
Wait.
What?
Where's
Where's
Anna?
Anna?
Anna.
Oh, she's
Anna.
right.
Oh.
She's right next to you.
Oh. Is she
Do you see her? She's
Yeah.
right there.
okay? She's not saying
Oh,
anything.
no. I think she's
Anna.
laying down just like we are.
Oh,
Well,
I think I need water.
yeah.
Uh,
What do we do now?
I think
We're in the middle of the desert. We have no water, and I don't see where the
I don't
princesses are.
Wait. Look
Where?
far over there. I don't know. Is it?
But
looks,
they look very, 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 very trapped.
yeah.
I mean, they're not even moving.
No.
Oh no.
Well,
We should probably.
we should go there.
Yeah.
We should head towards them.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay, let's head towards the green palm tree. Okay. Whew. Climbing through the desert's really, really hard.
Yeah, it's very exhausting.
Yeah, my feet are tired. Yeah, my feet are very tired. Oh. The palm tree is here.
I see something.
What do you see?
I see two princesses. There they are.
Whoa. Look there. It looks like they're encased in glass.
Anna, what do we do now?
We have to go and get them. I think that they've been trapped by a magic spell of Agrabah, the genie spell from the magic lamp, but an evil genie. I bet if we find a diamond, we could cut the glass and get them out.
So now we have to find a diamond.
Yeah, we have to find a diamond.
Okay, Princess Jasmine and Princess Cinderella, we'll be back to save you. We just need a diamond.
Yeah, we're gonna find a diamond and
Okay.
maybe in a cave, yes, because diamonds grow under the ground in very, very deep, deep caves.
Okay,
Oh,
I guess let's go into the dark, dark, dark cave.
yeah, let's go into the dark,
we won't
dark,
need
dark
our
cave.
sunglasses now.
Nope, we won't need our sunglasses.
Okay, here we go. Hold on.
Hold on.
No, I'm falling.
Okay.
Okay, we made it
Woo.
back.
Wow.
Oh, I'm sure Jasmine and Cinderella will be happy to get out of those diamond glass boxes.
Yeah, those glass boxes there. Thank you, Diamond Penguin and
Yeah.
Diamond Flamingo.
Okay, let's see
Yeah.
if they can do
Can
their
you
work.
guys go up?
Oh! I think you cracked open.
Crack. Keep going, keep going.
We don't need you anymore.
You can stay right here, Penguin. Or, Flamingo.
Jasmine! I rescued you!
Oh!
Jasmine!
Cinderella! Yay, Cinderella!
Yay,
Now you're
Jasmine!
free!
Jasmine,
Oh.
Anna, we did it!
We did it, Anna!
did it, Anna.
Yay! Oh, good job, guys! Wow!
Wow.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.